What is that thing?
This one's the doorbell. It's heavy.
Oh, this one is just a cover?
Yeah, that's the instructions. So that's it.
Cute.
So it has a camera built into it.
Oh,
But you have to have this other one for this one to work.
I see.
Here's all the stuff. Mount it. Charge it.
Okay. So that two goes together? Or go together?
Yeah, so this one won't work without this one.
Ah.
This has the base and 2 cameras. It was a kit. So we'll put one, here's the instructions. So here's the base that everything connects to. And then this connects to your home Wi-Fi.
Oh.
All the connections on the back. Power and internet.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna probably need to get a cable for that. And then the 2 cameras. These little guys.
So cute.
Eufy cam.
Eufy.
This one, unlike like Ring and stuff like that, those are the other ones. This one, it's free. Holds like 3 months of recording. And this is the box of all the mounting hardware. So that's gonna go on the house. We'll put one out front, one out back. And it's good for, I think it says 180 days is the battery life.
Nice.
Every 6 months we'll have to charge it.
What is it free here?
So like Ring and stuff like that, you have to subscribe to their service for it to work.
I see.
This one is a free. But these cameras are kind of funny.
Why?
They that's a sync button. They don't run continuously.
Oy.
And only when they have human recognition. So if they see a shape, so they're always kind of looking, but they're not always on. So if they see a body walk by, they turn on and start recording.
Aye. Just like how do you call that? They pause.
Yeah, to save the battery. That's how it saves the
Okay,
battery.
That's
so
nice then.
That's
why the battery lasts for 180 days.
Yeah, because it puts the camera on like.
So it only
Standby.
recognizes people?
You can set it so that it'll turn on when it sees movement.
Oh.
So like a cat walks by, it'll turn on.
Okay.
But that'll eat your battery up faster. And that guy, we'll put that on the front door.
For the front door.
So this one's gonna go out on the corner out here, and it's gonna look
Facing
kind of that way.
the road.
Yeah, it'll face kind of catty corner to the road, so it'll see, because it has a 120-degree view, I think it is. I think it's 120 degrees. And, you know, thought you were seeing that on here. Ooh, hopefully it doesn't get too hot. They said it was a 120-degree view. So we'll adjust it so it sees the most. And I think we can add cameras to it. So if one's not good enough, we'll get another one.
Oh, okay.
So we'd have
So
3.
the one we have now is 2.
Yeah, it comes with
inside the
2.
box. Okay.
Comes with 2. Yeah, I think it can hold a whole bunch of stuff. What's this show? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wouldn't mind getting one of those. But this is a powered one. It's a spotlight.
Ah. And then it will turn on if they see something.
Yeah. And the camera starts.
It scares everyone.
So we may get one of those. But that one has to have power.
What is this? 100% wire free. 180 days battery life. No monthly fee. Secure local storage.
Yeah, that's that little box inside.
Powerful night vision, human detection. Smart image enhancement, direct response assistance. Weatherproof. Insurance siren. Extend your Wi-Fi signal, military-grade data security.
I don't know if that's any good. Hey, you two! Calm down!